In this video, we are going to learn debugging of a Redux application. For that, download this Redux Dev Tools extension in your browser. I have already downloaded it. Click on this extension and click Redux Dev Tools. Now to use this extension, we have to enable it. Scroll down here. Now copy this line which checks if there is an extension, then run the extension. Paste it at this create store function after the reducer. Now reload the app. As you can see here, now extension is enabled and working. As is shown in this extension window, it shows the different parts of our Redux application. In the left part, there are all the actions that occurred until now. While in the right part, it describes everything about that action and changes due to that action. When I click this increment action, then on the right side you can see it shows an action object which has a type and payload details. It has a different formats like a chart and raw. Now the second tab is a state. It shows the changes in the state. Difference tab shows what changed due to this particular action. You can also play whole action sequence by pressing this button. Now trace tab. To enable this tab, we have to configure extension. In here, add object and write trace to true. It will enable the trace functionalities. This trace tab shows the line of code that is executed. And test provides a template to test your Redux application. Also, you can directly jump to specific action or you can skip any action, just like this. Let's run this whole sequence of actions. You can also download this sequence of action and send it to anyone. Also, you can upload here and rerun the application. Using this feature, user can record actions where error is happening, then send that sequence to a developer so he can easily understand where the problem occurs. Also, there is a log monitor which logs every changes. From here, you can select different instances. That's it for this video. In the next video, we are going to connect Redux with React.